Grabe ka naman kasi umayak eh. Kasi ganito ganyan.
What? What? See, that's what she does. It's so bitin, no? It feels bitin.
Kasi pangit ako yung babae, di ba? Kung ano pala sabi ko,
Ano sabi? You know, sis.
Alam naman niya, no? Wala.
I don't know. I swear to God, I don't know.
You're so manhid.
Yeah.
You're manhid.
You're my sister.
Brother, you're so manhid. Kasi naman, hindi mo pa na-gets. Yun na yun eh. Yun na yun.
Ba't diba
Ba't you're so manhid?
Ba't diba ako kinukulit kay Hansen?
Huh?
Sabi ko, ba't diba ako kinukulit kay Hansen? Kasi bagay kayo eh. Doon ka na lang, kay Hansen ka na lang. Paglababay ka mo na yung boyfriend mo. Hala?
Kawawa naman yung boyfriend mo.
Tapos tinanong ko, tinanong
Yung sinabi.
Tinanong, ano yun, nawala ako. Tinanong, ano nga pala yun, tinanong sa akin. Tinanong ako, para ano nangyari kay Hansen? Ano nasa throat niya?
Who?
Ako, sa kanila. Parang, secret. Ba't mo gusto malaman? Parang, bakit mo gusto malaman? Ba't sobrang consumed ka kay Hansen?
You asked?
Yeah.
You know, those were the people that did our checkup before.
Yeah.
But iba na sila. Like, they were like so different with me. They were like, it was weird. Like, I remember them before. They didn't really pay attention to me before.
Yeah.
But this time they were like, you know, like,
Ano ba? Gumagana si Hansen.
no, they went like that. Like,
Di na. Nakakatawa yung
yeah,
tsura
they
mo.
went like that before. Like, these were the same people who did our checkups. Diba?
Yung doktor pinagalitan ako eh.
Why?
Sobrang lahat sila naparod yung umiiyak ako. Yun yung naglalakad dito, yung nagsisisigaw ako.
Why were you here crying?
Akin na yun. Bakit?
Where was I?
Sino yan?
Where was I?
Loob. Nag-away yung
Ano sabi ng doctor sa'yo?
huwag daw iiyak ng ganun. Masama daw yun sa throat. Kaya,
That's...
Sumisigaw ka rin eh.
diba?
Baby! Dapat baby!
Maybe
Yun. Baby! Pagkulot ni Poy pababa, ikaw tataas. Baby!
Apa.
Yan, dyan. Actually, bangga sila sandaling-sandali eh. Dapat van talagang maybe. Maybe.
From what note ka ba? The maybe.
So you saw the knuckle. That was tough. 1 to 3.
You para
Kasi nakaganon siya eh. Meg! Magpareho na lang kayo. Mag-octaves na lang sila, no, Mark? Oo. Ganun na lang. Tinginan kayo.
Pwede nga, dulo lang. Didikit ko na lang dito. Yung dun sa papuntang...
Edit na lang. Punchy.
One before E, ha?
Parehan na lang ta.
sa last.